Action recognition task in computer vision can be used in various industries, like security/surveillance, queue management, and analyzing customer behavior in retail. And Supervisely has a convenient video annotation toolbox for single and multi-camera scenarios with 4K video support. In this tutorial, you will learn how to annotate multi-camera video segments for action recognition, which is achievable within a single application. Here is my dataset. Before launching the application, you should prepare the tags in your project. They will serve as additional attributes for our segments. Tag creation is a one-time procedure. It can be done by clicking this button. To launch the app, click the three dots, Run App, mark attributed segments. Let's go inside the app's interface. First, we need to select the datasets we want to work with. It can be single or multiple. Then, select left and right videos. Let's view the segments table. I have none, so let's create one. In my case, I'd like to create a segment in which the person enters and exits the pavement area. The left video's playhead serves as a starting point for a new segment, while the playhead of the right video marks the ending timestamp. If you have any annotations that will help this process, you can check the Draw Region on Video box. Later in the video I will show how to create such annotations, but keep in mind that this only makes sense if you use stationary camera footage. If your videos happen to be synchronized, you can use the Sync Timestamp from Left Video feature. When we have both videos in place, we can press Create Segment button. After that, the segment will appear in the table as well as all the information about it. Currently, there are no tags assigned to the segment, so let's change that by clicking Edit Attributes button. Here you can see all the tags I have in this project. Let's assign some of them. All the attributes are displayed in the corresponding column. Now we can select other videos or simply mark the two videos as done. The resulting files are stored in the team files and can be accessed by this link. File format is JSON. Here's how that looks like. Now I will show how to create annotations. First step, go to the video annotation toolbox. Then select the labeling tool. I prefer using the polygon. Next, you need to either create a new annotation class or select one of the existing classes you have in your project. Then annotate just the first frame. Only first frame's annotations are gonna be displayed in the application. You can use spacebar to automatically connect your current point to the starting one, finalizing object creation. Also, you can use Ctrl plus spacebar to start creating a new object. You can correct object's points by selecting the object. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching.